Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lawrencetown Beach is one of Nova Scotia's most famous coastal destinations, located along the province's eastern shore, about 30 kilometers east of downtown Halifax. The beach is part of the larger Lawrencetown area within the Halifax Regional Municipality and attracts visitors from across Canada and around the world. Known for its long sandy shoreline, Atlantic Ocean views, and powerful waves, Lawrencetown Beach has become one of the most recognizable natural landmarks in Nova Scotia. The surrounding Lawrencetown region has a history dating back to the 18th century. The community was named after Charles Lawrence, who served as governor of Nova Scotia during the colonial period. Early settlers established farms and small homesteads throughout the area, taking advantage of the available land and coastal resources. Farming, fishing, and forestry supported local families for generations. Today, the population of the broader Lawrencetown area is several thousand residents. While the beach itself is primarily a natural and recreational area, nearby communities such as West Lawrencetown and East Lawrencetown provide residential neighborhoods that are closely connected to the coastline. Lawrencetown Beach is best known for surfing. The Atlantic Ocean produces consistent waves that make the beach one of the premier surfing destinations in eastern Canada. Surfers can often be seen on the water throughout the year, including during the winter months when air temperatures are well below freezing. The beach has helped establish Nova Scotia as a respected surfing destination. The beach is protected as part of Lawrencetown Beach Provincial Park. The park preserves coastal dunes, wetlands, and natural habitats that support a variety of wildlife. The area provides important habitat for shorebirds and other species that rely on coastal ecosystems. Conservation efforts help maintain the natural beauty of the shoreline while allowing public access. The area is also popular with hikers, cyclists, photographers, birdwatchers, and nature enthusiasts. The nearby Salt Marsh Trail follows a former railway corridor and offers excellent views of marshlands, coastline, and local wildlife. The trail has become one of the most popular outdoor recreation destinations in the Halifax area. Today, Lawrencetown Beach stands as one of Nova Scotia's most celebrated natural landscapes. Its combination of ocean views, sandy beaches, surf culture, protected natural habitats, and easy access from Halifax continues to make it one of the province's most treasured coastal destinations. watching!